Yo, switch on the microphone over here. I want the niggas listen and feel this. This is the voice of SRD. You know how it is. Yo, if you wanna know the main cause why I'm acting like that, I'm here on the building to let you know the main cause is right here. You gotta check this out.
All I gotta do then, let you know about me. All I gotta wreck then, let you know about me. All I gotta form then, let you know about me. All I gotta scream then, let you know about me. All I gotta do then, let you know about me. All I gotta wreck then, let you know about me. All I gotta form then, let you know about me. All I gotta scream then, let you know about me.
Hey, you nigga. Taste to me, that is to me. I got to let you know there is me. If you don't take time, I gotta expose you my next soundtrack. Beware of dog, let me be watchful. If you step out, I see with my eyes, must be disgrace. I regret, you can't do nothing. Just for me alone, face your man crew. I can't see anybody take me back or run me down. I report myself to the stand, no play can enter me. Do just nothing, do what I gotta do. When I hold it down, keep my eyes open for enemy. When I wake up in the morning, I watch my gods receive power from above before I walk out the door. I make sure look around to head door, just like a rat coming up from Hodo. Enemies everywhere, my eyes so like I pass 5. Next thing to do, keep my head up. I don't give up, no matter how comes cross my way, I never give up. I keep moving, no ask, no that. When I know myself, strongly believe one day should become reality. And this is after how it is now. Who's that bagger? Who's that bastard? Can you hear my voice speaking? Anyway, that's for message every one of you. No condition is permanent. When I know about those time, I used to form like small kids. It comes to pass. Let's face the way I'm thinking now. With the child vision at last. This was so incredible. Imagine me be something. Imagine me be hip hop star. Imagine me be VIP all over the places, Ninja. Anyhow, I'm still moving on. They get a come from. Niggas negro. They are showcasing the culture they got. Some play karate. Some to bossy. Wait till it wrestling. But I know more this game. I got my own culture, which is music. It's my skin natural. Let me lecture you my own culture. I draw freestyle, got my own guest star. Talk like Twister. I'm a minister for NASA. Hold the mic. Yeah, right now, the way I move, the way I speak, sent from the spiritual. Fear no danger. Store the glass of poison to scatter. Hit me, blow, his go. First to know your evil plan before dawn. Simple move, the ball looking by eyes. Pass through the danger without shaking. Escaping the midst of people. Yeah, 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 doing whatever I lay my hand on. Nothing hard for me to God, taking a reference. I command money to flow, money flow. Money's hard to God, for me still to get. When I wanna, all I gotta do to vote. Let me tell you something, money respects me like a master, like a commander, like a king, like a governor. I know about money when I waste the whole day without hustle. I know where I got money from, so keep your game tight. Let me keep my own tight way for future. But I show myself when I walk on this demo to God promo. I got confidence, I'll make money, make niggas feel me, I'll feel my tribe. This is main cause.
All I gotta do then, let you know about me. All I gotta wreck then, let you know about me. All I gotta form then, let you know about me. All I gotta scream then, let you know about me. All I gotta do then, let you know about me. All I gotta wreck then, let you know about me. All I gotta form then, let you know about me. All I gotta scream then, let you know about me.
I keep quiet, wait for right time to show. When the gods of thunder, know who I am, the gods of magician, know who I am. I brought up the native stuff, secure myself proper. My face always naked, can take your nation. But I will make you fear, make you bet, you go confess. The most idiot thing I never do for my life. I never kill, I never rob, but I look suspicious the way I used to kiss. That's the true confession, you wanna stop me if you don't know where I'm heading. Make way, all I need from you, because nothing keeping us together. Do your things the way you can do best. Don't let things do you, it's been up to want. I don't wanna do anybody weird, that's my policy. And the spirits are consult over me. If you wonder how, don't keep me tight, let the spirit take control. Although I won't give up the second time because of not steady delay. Niggas wanna change my vision, I got a destination. One more time, cause up one time ago. I failed to follow my right way, because what niggas saying about me, when I find out it's lie, I cry, I swear. Why mess like that? Why mess like winch? Why mess so jealous? Why mess so bad? Why mess so wicked? When I stand by against the two sides, one side for the spirit, the other side for the mess. If I was born in flesh, I would be sin against mess. They are so bad. Look at the way niggas waste niggas. Look at the way I was my tits like animal. Look at the way when I was carrying pain over, no one can help me out. Now the pain is over, won't be continue giving up or pretending. Let me show you exactly who I be. When I take man, all the flesh my be. I'm a high spirit, cannot explain. Always cool like ice blood, Sundays get here like a fire. Watch, who know me if I best. Something must happen in God's kingdom. Different spirits, different people, they are fighting for my succeed. They wanna make sure I'm a successful man. I'll keep my 10, they rule, they give it to me. Number one, never listen to what people sin against. They're talking about your damn fall. Keep on trying, whatever you do your best. Don't be ashamed of when they're laughing at you. It's all about temptation. Look at me, when in the midst of them, I pass many things and I make my ability. Bright as your own case too small, let me give you a clue. They're under your shoe, can't believe that, shine a light on them. They will reflect and burn down when they have a God side beside you. You wise men cause
all I gotta do then, let you know about me. All I gotta wreck then, let you know about me. All I gotta form then, let you know about me. All I gotta scream then, let you know about me. All I gotta do then, let you know about me. All I gotta wreck then, let you know about me. All I gotta form then, let you know about me. All I gotta scream then, let you know about me.
SRD. I'm a born again now. I don't come again now. Wait for me now. I'm coming at you.